Hi, I'm Tess Masters, the Blender Girl, and today I'm making an incredible vegan potato salad. I shared this recipe in my first book, The Blender Girl, and it's also on my website, theblendergirl.com. So we're gonna start by just boiling some potatoes. We don't wanna make them too mushy because then when we go to toss our salad, it's gonna be like mashed potatoes. Now I'm gonna add a lot of raw ingredients to give it some pops of beautiful color, but also a crunchy texture, and it just brings in a ton of nutrients. So I'm gonna put in some finely chopped green onion. Then I'll pop in some chopped red onion, just gives it a nice bite on the end there. We'll throw in some chopped bell pepper, some diced celery, and then I've got some chopped broccoli slaw. If you can't find broccoli slaw or you don't like raw broccoli, you could also throw in some cucumber. And then I'm gonna chop up some flat leaf parsley, which is just gonna give it this beautiful speckled look. Now we're gonna make our dressing. Now here's where the magic happens. We're just gonna throw everything into the blender. So I'm gonna start with some filtered water. Then I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm gonna cream it up with some raw unsalted cashews. And to that, and this is gonna seem really, really strange, I'm gonna add some raw cauliflower. Stick with me, I know that is just so bizarre, but trust me, it works a treat. To that, I'm gonna add the tang. So I'm gonna use some fresh lemon juice and then a mixture of different kinds of mustard. I'm gonna throw in some Dijon mustard, some whole grain mustard, and some yellow mustard. And then I'm just gonna sweeten a little bit with a little bit of coconut sugar. Now you could use regular sugar if you like, you could use maple syrup, whatever you have on hand. And then just a little bit more tang, I'm gonna throw in some apple cider vinegar. And just finish it off with a little bit of salt. And then we're gonna blast that on high until it's smooth and creamy. And I'm just gonna toss all of the salad ingredients together with that beautiful creamy dressing until everything's evenly coated. And then I'm just gonna salt it to taste and add some black pepper. And let me give you a taste tip about this salad. It gets better the next day. So this is a fantastic salad to make for a next day barbecue, a party, any kind of celebration you like, and trust me, it is always a hit. So for this delicious recipe and more, head to theblendergirl.com.